You haven't learned yet, haven't y'all?
Shouldn't you be playing outside or something?
Yes, hello. I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Why?
Which one, man?
The one that goes...
Oh, talking swag. My name is Mr. Crab on the track. Finna bring it back. Got to move a lot of facts. And when I'm at work, do that. Yeah, now I'm done. Now I'm on this rap game. Finna show you what I'm doing, man. You done made me mad. Now I'm finna snap like Mr. Krabs. Clips, and now y'all finna drive. I'm feeling this sound off, yeah. I have y'all all fired. Y'all don't need to talk to me, yeah. You try to be my friend, nah. I don't even need y'all, yeah. So stop stepping up to me. My name is Mr. Krabs. All I need is my mama, my daddy, and my goo. Whoa, cool. Yeah, my good friends. Y'all don't understand. I could act stupid if I want to. Yeah, step up to me right now. You don't even know what I'm about to do, and you know that I'm really freaking cool. Ooh, when I sound off, even be like a fool, looking at me like, ooh, dang, Zay really got some bars. Oh man, Zay really go hard. Oh, and he really taking it so far. Oh, give me a shout out. No, man, you suck. Man, you stepping up to me like you know what's up, but I'm yelling at the mic like Eminem would do when he on this fight, when he finna go diss y'all. That's a real diss, and I'm finna come back and it's finna be legit. You better shut up messing with me. You don't even know what's up, so get on the mic, bruh. You know that I diss y'all. Okay, since I got my money made. Look, if you had the bars, if you had the chance to get up with me like that, you would step up yourself. Bring the beat back. Look, if you had that truth, if you had that beat, if you could do it like me, or if you could do it better than me, please step up and show me. With the real rapper, stand up. With the real trapper, stand up. With the real person who practice all day and night trying to get it right. Now I'm snapping back. My name is Mr. Krabs and I'm finna go off, finna go snap. But you should've shut your mouth, and now I'm finna shut y'all down like the underground. Better not make a sound before I shoot you with the Glock. Pop and you're dead. And I don't mean the gun, I mean my lyrics. Coming back and some legit. Better shut up with this. My name is Mr. Krabs, finna sound off. Yeah, you know who you are, who I'm talking to. You finna figure out very soon, after this album comes out. And I'm gonna come out, finna bust in your mouth. Dark Knight coming back, and I'm finna show you that little Harvey died, and Rykeem is dying. You should've never ran your mouth.